Starting like this. This is my new channel, the TCG one. Starting like that because of YouTube, because shorts and stuff. Wait 1 sec. I'll show you what stuff I got on Whatnot, what I won basically. This was a giveaway of, I don't know what gym pack this one was. I think it's gym pack 4. I think we'll open some of that soon. So yeah. One of these, no, I know these are all like Chinese cards. All for like today. Got Latias. I think it's Shojin Sparks, maybe? I'm not sure really what it's called over there. Got another envelope one. All of these was like $1. These are from Ascended, the Pokeball and Franball ones, or Energy. This is from 151. A Perfect Order necklace, a stamp, Terrestrial, Perfect Order, and I think I said this one from Crown Zenith, that one, if I ran it right. Back at these now. Me and my brother each open one. He wants the spider. This is the spider, what it looks like. It comes with a jumbo pack of 25. I will open up mine. I got the Hoot Hoot one. The Hoot Hoot. So it comes with a little promo, little sleeve for it, and the Hoot Hoot card just goes right down in here, basically. That's all it's meant for. And I got this. My brother will open the same exact pack. It has 25 cards. It's a big card pack. It is Japanese, so we're looking for this one. I don't know if it's a card trick. I have no idea with these ones. So let's go. Got Bidoof. Oh, do you see something back there? Got a spider. A bat. Oh, I'll show you what. Pikachu. Linton. Energy. Cynthia. Clefairy. Oh, a Bidoof. AR. That's nice. Got that. Got a Moltres. We got a VMAX. And we got an I. Researching, this is not Bidoof. It's the evolved version of Bidoof. And that one. That's pretty good from them too. Now we're going to move some Gem Pack Volume 4 and Gem Pack Volume 5. We got 2 of those and 1 of 5. We're going to open 5 first, then go down to 4. Going back in, how to open this? What out damages the box, because the box is nice. Good figure. Yeah. Do something to this. Okay. We got a lot of packs now. We gotta open all of these really fast and make like a whole stack like this. So I gotta open one at least. And show you what I'm doing. And so basically, all we're doing is to do that and have a whole stack. Probably 2 stacks. So I'll be a minute doing this. Okay, I'm back now. I'll probably do about half of this now. Got that much. I don't know. Oh, sorry, I got apple. That. Got Master Ball. Got Pokeball. I know these are focused on the second evolution stage of Gen 1. We got a Stamp, Pokeball, another Master Ball, Pokeball, Energy, Radiant. Ooh, put that to the side. The whole C. Growlithe. That might be only a hit for this. We got Craptor, Stunfisk, Seal. I think that's the top chase, minus Captain Pikachu. Jancy, Stamp, Pokeball, Energy, that Master Ball, Fireball. Okay, last little bit. Pokeball, Energy, Master Ball Houndoom, Latias, Psychic, Stamp, Latias Pokeball, Houndoom Fire, Captain Pikachu with the low stamp there, Stamp, the Water Energy, another Master Ball Pikachu, Master Ball Seal. That's it. I'm going to look up this one because I think this is the chase. Be back. Okay, after doing research, this is the second card. Captain Pikachu is the most, but this is the second, about $30. But that is a good hit from that. And then a $10 Seahorse. So that was good for that. Now we're doing Gem Pack Volume 4. My half, then my brother will do his. So we got 2 of these. I'm going to rip them open again. Okay, we got them all open now. Open it. Now we got all our packs to dump out. We got ×2. So we got another one to do this. Looking for the exclusive Panita in this one. I do know that one. So let's go. Let's get all these open now again. And make about probably 4 stacks. Okay, back after doing. So we're going to grab so much. Okay, let's go. Got Panita. Stamp. Bird. Nova Pass. Energy. Ball. Stamp. Mug Style. Got Metal. Mouse. I see something right next. We gotta put that off to the side for sleeping. Another Panita. Eevee Master Ball. Lickitung. Pokeball. Master Ball. Pokeball. Idiot. Stamp. Panita. Litten. Fire. Okay. Master Ball. Whoopler. Okay. Next little bit. Eevee Pokeball. Fire. Radiant. Master Ball. Energy. Panita Ball. Master Ball. Pokeball. Master Ball Lickitung. Radiant. Just says Radiant. I ran from that. Pokeball Melt. Energy. Almost done with the first one. Try to do all in this one. Okay, we got a Deer. Litten. Master Ball. Get that. We got a Stamp there. Got Radiant. Master Ball. Energy. Got a Stamp. Got a Fire. Got a Lickitung Master Ball. Got a Stamp. Got Energy. Okay. Next stack time. Grab a little bit. We got a Magtar. We got a Stamp Hitler. Master Ball. Grab a little bit more. Noble Pass. We got a Stamp. Pokeball. Master Ball. Radiant. Master Ball. Energy. Pout. Pokeball. Stamp. Master Ball. Energy. Pokeball. Master Ball. Energy. Ooh. Okay, grab a last little bit. Okay, Pokeball. Ooh, that's a nice one. Got that. We got Fighting. Got that. We got Master Ball Eevee. Master Ball Pokeball. Lickitung. Pokeball. Energy. Radiant. Stamp. Pokeball. Energy. Master Ball. Pokeball Litten. Energy. Master Ball. Pokeball. Energy. The Radiant. Master Ball. Pokeball. Energy. Master Ball. And Master Ball. Okay. Sleep them up. Research, about $10 for the bird. And the second pack was the Mouse. We're not sure what sets these are from. I think Surging Sparks and maybe Twilight. That's my just guess on these. So I'm done. My brother will do his stuff. I will see you soon.
Alright, I'm gonna open this, and I got the spider. That's the card. Here's the display case for it. Keychain, and my pack. Alright, now I'm gonna open up this pack. Alright. Hoot. Cast form. Muck. Rattata. Spirit Boom. Oh, Raichu V. And that's it. These are my two hitters, Raichu and Radiant something. I forget what it's called. Now I'm going to open up this. Alright. And now all the packs. And I'm going to open them. Okay, I got all of them pulled. And let's see what we got. We got Growlithe. Latias. Ooh, a Stamp. Seal. Stunfish. Joltik. Ooh, Master Ball Latias. Spigorito. Joltik again. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Latias. Joltik. And now another Master Ball. Another Master Ball. Regular. Another Master. Houndoom. Ooh, another Stamp. Ooh, Captain Pikachu. Another Master Ball. Another Stamp on Houndoom. Ooh, do like that one. Master Ball Houndoom. Master Ball Bunsey. And Stamp. Okay, we got this card worth 3. Then we have this card worth 9. And this one unvalued. Now we're going to open up 2 of these. Well, now that we have both open, let's dump. Oh, heck yeah. I'm going to open them now. Alright, we're going to start with this one. Alright. Deerling. Ooh, a Stamp. Litten. Master Ball. Pokeball. Energy. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Master Ball. Pokeball. Another Master Ball. Another Stamp. Another Stamp. Master Ball, Pokeball, Energy. Master Ball Eevee. stamp. Ooh, right at the end. Alright, now we're going to start with the second half. Alright, Milton, Licky, ooh, a little stamp, Master Ball, Pokeball, ooh, Wooper, little stamp, oh, another stamp, another stamp, Pincer, and Master Ball. Alright, we got this fish. It is worth $9. And then we got this Wooper, which is from Phantasmal Flames, and it is worth $7.